Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, I got the engine washed up, and right now I'm actually soaking it in this lubricant, the cheap lubricant that I got from Walmart. I could have used WD-40. I think I have some somewhere, but anyway, oh yeah, here it is. You can use that as well, but I use this cheap one. The reason why is it will start oxidizing, it will start rusting right away, and I don't want that to happen. So yeah, you can see that engine looks pretty awesome. Let me see if it's gonna look better if I turn it off. Yeah, look at that. So before I assemble it, I'm gonna wash just outside, and then I'm gonna paint it with the primer, high heat primer, as well as the high heat black paint, and then I'm gonna get it all ready for installing the other parts for this car. Anyway, it was a like a surprise. Actually, it was I didn't expect this, to be honest. I did not expect to, oh, this is just gonna wipe off. I did not expect to be this good. It actually took a lot of grime and crap out of the engine, and yeah, I mean, it looks really good. I'm super happy with it. The next step is, like I said, I'm gonna be primering outside and painting it with the high heat paint. After that, I will start putting the plugs, freeze plugs. I got to do those, so videos of those are coming as well. I do not think I'm gonna do a oil galley mod where you just smooth it out. This is just for a street car. I don't think I'm gonna be doing any mods on it, so it's just gonna be back to stock. So yeah, it's just gonna stay how it was. The head got upgraded, lifters, that's pretty much it. Everything else is just stock. So yeah, just like I said, a really short video. What's going on after that 48 hours of soaking in the electrolysis. Electrolysis did an extremely good job. This is a must for me from now on for the engines. Every time I rebuild the engine, I will be doing this. It's extremely easy way to do it. It's not that expensive, and a machine shop would probably cost me $80 to $100 to hot tank it and get all that. But yeah, I'm building this on a budget. I will have the entire cost list of this build in one of the last videos when I finally start the car and I finally drive it. I will have one last video where it's gonna show how much I spent rebuilding this engine. Anyway, I don't want to make this video too long. I really appreciate y'all staying and checking my videos and watching all the all the builds I'm going through. I really appreciate that. Again, make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Laters.